Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, ma'am.
This 1.1. First question completed. Read second question. All of you read second question.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Okay.
Show that any positive odd
So
interest
that
form
any
of
positive odd integer is of a form 6q
plus
plus
1
1
or
or
6q,
6q plus
6q
3
plus
or
3
6q
or
plus 5
6q
where
plus
q is
5.
some integer.
Every q is some integer.
Okay. What is given? Here we have to show that any positive integer, any positive odd integer. What are integers? What are integers? Yesterday we discussed what are integers.
Every
And both
positive and
numbers.
negative.
Positive and both negative numbers.
Positive, 0 and negative numbers are integers.
Negative numbers.
Here we talking
Minus
about
10,
positive.
0, 1, 2.
Positive integers means 1, 2,
2, 3. No
3,
negative.
4 and so on. But here asking odd integer, positive odd integer, correct? What are odd numbers?
1,
What are odd numbers? The numbers
1,
1,
3, 5,
3,
7.
5, 7.
not
9.
exact divisible by 2 or the number ends with
Not divisible by 2.
2, sorry, 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. These are the odd numbers, correct? Here we have to show that 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. Numbers is in the form of 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5. And here given q is some integer. Is it clear? Everyone question?
Yes, ma'am.
Here we have to show that proof. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and so on. These are the positive odd integers, correct? Positive odd integers is in the form of 6q plus 1 or 6q plus 3 or 6q plus 5. This is our question. Okay? See this 6q plus 1. This is look like a bq plus r, correct? Is it correct or wrong?
Yes, ma'am.
BQ.
Yes, ma'am.
So use Euclid division algorithm. Okay? Let A is any positive integer. Any positive integer and B equal to, what is our B value? See this 6q plus R.
6q plus
Q plus 3. 6q plus 5.
b value 6 ma'am.
B value 6.
6.
Do you understand? Why we take 6? See this see this 6q plus 1, 6q plus 3, 6q plus 5. This is look like a bq plus r. Correct? So we take b equal to 6. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So here we can apply division algorithm. Euclid division algorithm. Apply Euclid's division algorithm. What is the general form of Euclid division algorithm? General form.
A is equal to
Ma'am,
BQ
A is
plus
equal to
R.
bq plus r.
Good. A
A
equal to
plus R.
BQ plus R. Correct? Here A is
Q
any
plus R.
positive integer. A equal to, what is our B value? B
6,
value.
ma'am.
Ma'am.
6. 6Q
Plus R.
plus R. What is the range of R? Range of R. Say anyone. Range. R should be greater than or equal to
More
0
than 0.
and
More than 0
less
and less than B.
B. Correct? So,
Okay.
0 less than or equal to or less than or equal to what is our B? B value.
6, ma'am.
6. So, possible values of R. Possible values.
Ma'am, R value 5, ma'am.
R value 0. 0 is one possibility. And 1 R equal to 0, correct? And more than 0. 0, 1, 2, 3,
3, 4, 5.
5. Not 6. R not equal to 6. Less than 6. So take up to 5 only. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. When R equal to 0. When R equal to 0. What is our A value? A equal to R value. Substitute in this equation. A equal to 6Q plus 0. Okay. Is it clear? When R equal to 0. Any doubt? Please respond.
A is equal to 6Q, ma'am.
So A equal to 6Q. Do you understand? When R equal to next
0.
after 1. So when R equal to
And
1.
R is equal to 1.
1.
A is equal to
2
6
plus
Q
1.
plus 1.
In place
Plus
of
1.
R, we substitute 1. So,
1.
it is 6Q plus 1. Okay? Next, when R equal to 2. When R equal to 2, what is our A value? A equal
A
to
is equal to
6Q plus 2. Plus
In same way, when R equal to 3. R equal to 3. A equal to 6Q
plus 3.
plus R.
Plus
R value
3.
here 3. Take R value 4. What is A value? What is our A? A equal to 6Q
6Q plus
plus
4.
Q plus R, 4.
4.
Okay. When R equal to 5. R value up to 5, correct?
Q
A
plus 5, ma'am.
ma'am.
Q plus 5, ma'am.
plus 5.
A is
Q
equal to Q plus
plus
5.
5. Q plus 5.
Up to
Ma'am,
here,
yes, 6Q
understood?
plus 1,
Everyone?
6Q plus 3 and 6Q plus 5 are the odd integers.
Oh, wait. See, up to here, understood? Everyone? Here we can apply the division algorithm. What is division algorithm? A equal to
A
BQ plus
plus
R.
R.
A is equal to BQ plus R.
Let B equal to our B value 6. So in place of B, we substitute 6. What is our R? R range. R should be greater than or equal to 0 and less than equal to B. So R range is 0, less than or equal to or less than or equal to 6. What are the possible values of R? R equal to 0, more than 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is less than 6. Okay? First R equal to 0. Substitute the R values. We get 6 equations. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Here we have to show that positive odd integers is in the form of 6Q plus 1, 6Q plus 3 or 6Q plus 5. So, see this first equation, A equal to 6Q. What are the factors of 6? How to write 6Q? 6 factors, Ram. 6 factors. What are the factors of 6?
3 into 2, ma'am.
3
into
into 2, correct? So 6 equal to 2 into 3q. Do you understand?
Ma'am, 2 of 3q.
2 or 3. 2 into 3q. 6q equal to 2 into 3q. Do you understand?
Ma'am.
Like here 3q equal to
Ma'am, how, ma'am?
6q. How to write 6q? 6 factors. 6 factors.
2
na?
into 3q, ma'am.
2 into 3. 6, write it as 2 into 3. Do you understand? 2 3 is a 6. 6q. Here 3q. Let 3q equal to, our assumption, 3q equal to some m. Then equation. What is this equation? It is 2m. Do you understand this one?
Ma'am, 2m.
2m. 3 here,
Into m,
3q. Let 3q equal to m. Okay? So, in place of 3q, we write m. So, our equation is a equal to 2m. This one understand or not?
Hey, do you understand or not, Ra? Tarani Pushpa, Pranav? Yeah. Just I'm writing 6q as a 2 into 3q. So both people multiply again, we'll get Arya. We can get 6q, correct? So 3q I'm assuming as a m. Because in question they are asking correct, that is why. Next.
See,
Next
wait.
one, see.
See, 2 into any number. Any number multiplied with 2. Which numbers? Suppose take 1 into 2. What is the value 1 into 2?
2, ma'am.
2. 2 into
ma'am.
2 into 2?
4.
4, ma'am.
4.
4, ma'am.
4, ma'am.
3 into 2?
2 number, ma'am.
3
6,
into
ma'am.
8 into 2? 16. See these numbers, all numbers.
16.
2, 4, 6, 16. These are even numbers, correct?
Even number.
Any number multiplied with 2. Any number multiplied with 2, that number becomes even number. Do you understand?
Even number.
So
Yes, ma'am.
2m, here 2m is even or odd? Here our 2,
Even.
Even, ma'am. Even, ma'am.
Ma'am. Even.
in question they are asking odd numbers, correct?
Yes,
So
ma'am.
we don't want this
3m,
number.
ma'am. Ma'am, that is 3m. 3m.
So we don't want this number. Don't consider the 2m. We don't want this number. Skip this equation. Okay? When r equal to 0, this condition don't take. Okay? Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Next one. 6q plus 1. What are the factors of 6? 2, 1, 3. Correct?
2 and 3.
2 and 3.
6q, write it as 2 into 3q. 2 3 is a 6 into q is 6q plus 1. 2 into here 3q. Let 3q equal to some m. Okay? Here m equal to 3q. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So 3q, in place of 3q we write m. It is 2m plus 1. Write 1 as it is.
Plus 1.
Any doubt? Ask me.
On this step, I can't understand.
Do you understand? Any doubt?
In question they are asking only odd numbers, correct, Ra? So that is why we are taking odd one. Do you understanding, all of you? No response from anyone.
Understood, sir.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yes, sir.
See this equation 2m plus 1. 2m. 2m is any number multiplied with 2. They are even numbers. Correct? Even numbers plus 1. Even numbers plus 1. Then it is 2m is a even number. Even number plus 1. They are even or odd?
Odd number.
Odd.
Odd, ma'am.
Suppose you take even numbers 2, 4, 6.
2 plus 1 is equal to 3.
8 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. 4 plus 1 is 5. 6 plus 1 is 7. 8 plus 1, 9.
9.
These numbers
10.
3, 5, 7, 9. These are odd numbers.
Odd number.
So 2m plus 1 is a odd number. So odd numbers, positive odd integer is in the form of 2m plus 1. Do you understand? 2m plus 1. Our 2m plus 1 is nothing but 6q plus 1. Is it clear? 2m plus 1 is nothing but our 6q plus 1.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Here odd integers, positive odd integers. Positive odd integers is in the form of 6q plus 1. We know only one equation, 6q plus 1. Okay. Next, see r equal to 2. When r equal to 2, then equation equal to a equal to 6q plus 2. How to write 6q?
2 into
2
3q.
into 3q
3q plus 2.
plus 2.
3q
That is equal to 2 into m plus 2.
2 into m plus 2. In these two terms, what is the common? 2 is common, correct? Take
2
2
is
is
common.
common. It is m
2 of m plus 1.
Plus
M
1.
plus 1.
Okay, here m plus 1 is the one number. Correct? M plus 1 is any number, order even, any number. M plus 1 is order even, any number. Whatever. We take order even. Any number multiplied with 2. Then that is even or odd. That number, even or odd.
even.
Even number, any number multiplied with 2. That is even number. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Here 2 is common. Then 2 into m plus 1. M plus 1 is a one number, any number multiplied with 2. Then that number becomes even number. So we don't want even numbers. So don't consider the 6q plus 2. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, when r equal to 3, what is the equation? When r
2
r
into
equal to 3, a equal to
2 into
6q plus 3. 6q, how to write 6q?
2 into 6q. 2 into 3q.
3q
3q plus 3.
It means 2 into 3q is m. 2m plus 3. Do you understand? 2m plus 3. Any number multiplied with 2. This number is. Say anyone. This is odd or even?
Even, ma'am.
Even.
number.
Even
both
number
start on is
even number plus 3, which is equal to, suppose you take any even number, 2, 4, 6 plus 3. 2 plus 3, what is the value?
5.
5.
5. 4 plus 3,
7.
7. 6 plus 3, 9. Here we get which
10.
numbers?
Odd numbers.
Odd numbers. So it is odd number. So our positive integers is in the form of 2m plus 3.
Plus 3.
Okay, our positive odd integers is in the form of 2m plus 3. 2m plus 3 is nothing but our equation,
plus
a equal to 6q plus 3. Do you understand?
Yes,
So, odd integers, positive odd integer is in the form of 6q plus 3. Next equation, see next equation. Nitinath.
Nitinath, are you not understand, Ra?
Which step?
Nitinath?
Ma'am, now understand. Ma'am, now understand.
3Q
Yes,
is
sir.
considered as a M, ra, that's all. Understand?
Our
Yes, sir.
assumption, M is
It is
our
our
assumption.
assumption, that's all. Nothing is there. Do it.
See, when R equal to 4, what is our equation?
2 into 3Q.
A equal to 6Q plus 4. Then 6Q. How to write 6Q? 2 into
3.
2 into 3Q
plus
plus 4.
here 3Q equal to M.
M.
2 into M
Equation becomes
plus 4.
2 into
2M plus 4.
2M plus 4. Okay? 2 into M. Any number multiplied with 2. This is order even. Order
Even.
even.
Even number.
Even number. Even number plus 4. Or take 2 is common. These two terms, what is a common? 2 is common. Take 2 is common. It is M plus 2, correct?
M plus 2.
M plus 2. M plus 2 is any number, order even. Any number multiplied with 2. That is
Even.
even number. Here we get 2 into M plus 2 is the even number. Here we
number.
don't want even number. Don't consider the 6Q plus 4. Here we want only odd positive integers. Okay? Next, when R equal to 5, what is the equation?
A is equal to 2 into 3Q plus 5.
A equal to 6Q plus 5. 6Q write it as 2 into 3Q. Write 5 as it is. 2 into 3Q is our M. It
M.
is
2 into M plus 5.
2M plus 5. 2 into any number is even number.
Even.
Even number plus 5. It is order even.
Odd number.
Odd, ma'am.
Take 2, 4, 6 are the even numbers. Plus 5. 2
7.
plus 5.
7.
7. 4 plus 5.
9.
9. 6 plus 5. 11.
11.
6,
11.
7, 9, 11. Order even.
Odd, ma'am.
Odd numbers. So 2M plus 5 is in the form of it is the form of odd positive odd integers form. So 2M plus 5 is nothing but our 6Q plus
2
5.
plus 5.
So our positive odd integers is in the form of 6Q plus 5.
5.
Do you understand? Any doubt, ask me.
Understood, ma'am.
Therefore, hence 6Q plus 1 and 6Q plus 3 and 6Q plus 5 are the positive and odd integers. Do you understand?
Yes,
Our
ma'am.
positive odd integers is in the form of 6Q plus 1 or 6Q plus 3 or 6Q plus 5. Any doubt, ask me. Nitinath, do you understand? Prahasini, Akshaya, Kartikeya.
Understood.
Okay. Shall I go to next one?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you, do you understand? Karthikeyan? Okay. Next. Next question, right?
Read third question.
An army
An army contingent. What is contingent? What is contingent? This is like a group. Okay. In army contingent of 616
group of
members
army.
to march behind an army band of 32 members in parade. Here we have two groups. Here we have two groups. One group having 616 members and second group having 32 members. Okay. Here 616 members march behind the 32 members. Who are first?
32 members of that parade.
Who are first? B is behind the A. Who is first? Suppose B is behind the A. Behind of A. Who is first? Suppose B is behind of A. Who is first?
Yeah.
A.
Yeah, ma'am.
First. So, same way 616 members march behind the 32 members. Here our 32 members are front row. Okay? Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The two groups are to march in the same number of columns. Here same number of columns. It means first group having number of columns are equal to second group number of columns. What is the maximum number of columns in which they can march? See here keyword maximum. Here keyword is maximum. Wherever we see maximum, highest, largest. In this case, we have to find the HCF, highest common factor.
Yeah.
Here we have two groups. First group is 32 members. These 32 members are in. These 32 members are one group, and second group is 616 members. Do you understand this one? And here number of columns. Here number of columns. Suppose here number of columns are n. Here also number of columns n. Both
N.
number of columns are equal. Do you understand? Not rows, columns. See. Suppose, see this example. Suppose we have one group having 4 members and another group having 12 members. Here we have another example. Suppose first group having 4 members and second group having 12 members. Here first group and second group number of columns are equal. Number of columns are equal. First, how to arrange these 4 members? See this 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 4 members. This is one possibility. Here, how many columns, Ra?
One column.
1 column or 4 columns?
4 columns, ma'am.
See, these are the rows. These are the rows, and these are the columns. Vertical lines are columns. Horizontal lines are rows. Here, how many columns? 1,
4 columns.
3, 4. How many columns? Say
4 columns.
4 columns. Okay, here we have 4 columns. And here number of columns is equal to number of columns. It means both the cases number of columns are equal. Second group, how many members?
12 members.
12 members. In 12 members arranged in 4 columns. One column has how many members?
4 members.
4 members or 3 members? 4 threes are. Here,
Correct. 12 members, you have to split it into 4 groups. Say how many you will keep? 4 rows, 4 columns. Each group, each column, how many you will keep? Totally 12 members. Just behind them.
4.
Each group, how many will keep? Totally 4 columns are there. 12 members you have. How many will come each
see,
column?
first member 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Each column has 3 members. Do you understand? This is the first group. This is the second group.
See, observe, totally we have 4 members and 12 members. Correct or not? Ra? We have 2 groups in the parade. Correct? Ra?
Yes, sir.
Have you seen the army parade? Basically, band melon means those who are hitting the band and producing sounds. The shouting, they will be in front, and behind a big crowd will be back of them. Is it exactly correct or not?
Yes, sir.
So they are saying that these fellows, even though their count is more, they have to be form the same number of columns which the first group members will form. So now I have taken the 4 members and 12 members. So now 4 members, what is the possibility? 4 members can stand in 4 columns. Is it yes or no? Is it yes or no? So now
sir.
12 members, you have to arrange them. I will ask Pranav to arrange 12 members just behind them, just behind the 4 members. Exactly. So same number of columns. So how he can arrange each 3 members? He will arrange in a just behind each person. Correct or not?
4 columns, 3 rows.
Yes, 4 members. So 12 members. Each column he will arrange 3 fellows. Is it yes or no? Tell me.
Sir.
Now I will give the chance to another fellow. Suppose I will say Arya. So this is the possibility done by Pranav. So Pranav has arranged 4 persons, first group like this, 4 columns, and behind 12 members, 3 each. Now I will ask Arya to arrange. Arya has arranged like this. First group 2 like this, and remaining 12 members. How he will arrange? Please tell me. Only he has made 2 columns. He has made 2 columns. So now remaining 12 members, how it will come, Arya? Kevin, tell me. Each column, how many will come out of 12? 4 members
Sir.
of first group. Next remaining 12 members, how we will arrange? 6. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no? Please tell me, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So this is
Yes,
the
sir.
one possibility. Now I will give it to Dilipan. Dilipan has said that, sir, I want only 1 column. So 1 column he will arrange first fellows. First 4 fellows he has been arranged in a single column. So
Like
next 12 column also, 12 members also will come in how many columns? Columns should be equal. How many? They will also stand just behind him. Is it yes or no? Like the 12 members will stand. Do you understanding all of you? So this
Sir.
is 3 possibilities for making a parade of 4 members 1 group and 12 members 1 group. Is it any other possibility? Is there? Please tell me. Is there any other possibility? Is there any other possibility? Nobody. If you are not speaking, then what I will do? So this is the one possibility. 4 members can stand in 4 columns. So behind them, 12 members, 3 members each will stand in the same column, same number of columns. Next one, 2 fellows, first batch, they will stand 2 fellows, one after one. So they will form the 2 columns, so that each 6 fellows will stand in the 2 columns. Like here, first 4 fellows will stand in only single column, so that remaining 12 fellows also will stand in the single column. Is there any doubt? Anybody, please ask me.
Understood, sir.
No, sir.
Understood. So now you tell me, what is the minimum rows they have possible? What is the minimum rows they can possible form here? Minimum number of columns. Sorry, no, sir. Minimum number of columns. 1 column. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Equal, right? Minimum number of columns is 1.
Yes,
Maximum
sir.
number of columns how many? Maximum number of columns how many? Maximum number of columns how many they can form? 4. That is the maximum number of columns which they can form. If you will arrange 4 fellows one group and the 12 fellows 1 group, they have to be formed number of equal columns, maximum 4. So how you are getting this 4? You may observe carefully. Observe the given numbers 4 and 12. What is the HCF of these 2? Tell me please. What is the HCF? Highest common factor of 4 and 12.
what is big number? What is small number?
What is the highest common factor of this 4 and 12? Please tell me.
Ma'am, 4.
This is B and this is A. So now you can do Euclid's division
It's
lemma.
algorithm.
So what you will do? You will get it 4. So the 4 3s are how much? 4 3s are 12, which is equal to
Here,
0.
remainder is 0.
So remainder is
our
0.
divisor is HCF.
Divisor is our HCF, which is equals to 4 columns. So the maximum number of columns which we can form with the 4 members and 12 members is 4. Is it yes or no, all of you? Tell me. Same way.
Yes, sir.
Instead of 4, they have given 32. Instead of 4, they have given 32. Understanding? And instead of 12, they have given 616. Now they are asking, we have to make them stand in a parallel that first 32 members in the front, somewhere in the front, and remaining back equal number of columns, 616 fellows need to stand. So what we have to do? How many maximum number they are asking? Maximum number of columns they are asking. So what we have to do here also?
First arrange.
How, Ra? Tell me.
Or-
What we have to do? To arrange this many fellows, what we have to do? Ra? Same way you tell me here. 4 and 12, how we are arranged? HCF we have found it. Correct or not? Maximum number.
Yes, sir.
So same way here you have to arrange this many numbers. What we have to do? We have to find the HCF of these two numbers by using Euclid's division lemma, so that we can get the
Lemma.
number of columns. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Speak all of you. So now the given number is 32 and the next one is 616. So what is the A value here? What is the A value here?
616, sir. 616, sir.
616 is the A value and B value is what? 32.
32, sir.
So now all of you are do the equal. What is that? The division process. You do it.
Apply the Euclid division algorithm. What is our A? Big number is our A. A equal to 616 and B equal
ma'am,
to
8.
32. Next step. Apply Euclid division algorithm. Apply division algorithm on which numbers? 32 and 616.
616.
It means here we have to write in the form of A equal to BQ plus R. So 616 divided with 32. How many times? 32. 6 1. 32 tables. One time. Correct? 32. 1 minus 2. It means 11 minus 2.
9.
9.
29.
It is 5. 5 minus 3. 2. Next digit is 6.
226.
32 table to get 296.
9, ma'am. 32 into 9, ma'am.
32 into 9. Suppose we don't know. 32 into 9. See, 32 into 10. 32 into 10. What is the value? 32, right? Answer is keep 0, ra. 32 tens are 320. See this value? 296 is near to 320.
Yes, ma'am.
So, it is more than, correct? So, take 9 times. 32 9 times. What is the 32 9 times? 9 2s are 18. 9 3s are 27 plus 1, 28. 228. 32 9s are 288. 296 minus 288. What is the answer?
8.